Well, good afternoon there, Watauga. It's Saturday, October 10th, 2020, and time for another update. Now, the numbers today, again, they will reflect a 3-week period, and these numbers are effective as of yesterday. I'll start with the state and the national numbers first. Texas, we remain number 2 in the country for new cases. We've had 822,033 with 16,454 deaths and 698,481 recoveries. Nationally, we've had 7,757,909 positive cases, 216,990 deaths, and 4,987,156 recoveries. As for Tarrant County, we're at 54,152 total cases. That's a 21-day increase of 8,002, up from the previous period of 2,213. Now, that's a huge increase, and it takes our previous daily average from 105 to 381. 314 new cases today, 690 deaths, and 46,151 recoveries. Hospital bed utilization for COVID patients is at 9%, and overall hospital bed utilization is at 73%. Watauga's numbers, well, we're up 23%. We're up to 409 positive cases now, 333 recovered, and fortunately still only have 3 deaths. Tarrant County, we're holding at number 4 in the state for positive cases, but nationally we've moved up to the number 15 spot. And our fatality rate is at 1.2%. You can go to the Tarrant County website for a complete breakdown by race, age, and gender. But as you can see, the numbers have increased, and it is concerning. Masks, social distancing, and hygiene are still the key to slowing the spread. So please, continue to wear your mask, observe social distancing, and avoid crowds whenever possible, because it does make a difference. And as always, my continued thanks to everybody for your compliance and your support. Now, on to some good news. Governor Abbott on Wednesday gave the okay to open bars back up at a 50% capacity, subject to the okay of the county judges. Now, on a conference call yesterday with Judge Whitley, he said he's expected to make his decision on Monday or Tuesday at the latest. Also, Tarrant County is working on an additional round of CARES Act funding, and the Care for Tarrant program is still ongoing. See the Tarrant County website for more details on both programs. And a reminder that on September 2nd, President Trump announced a 4-month eviction moratorium. Now, that moratorium is currently set to expire on December 31st. And now we have the Texas Eviction Diversion program. It's a voluntary program that will allow landlords and the tenants to work through their issues and agree to resolve eviction lawsuits. The Texas Department of Housing and Community Affairs is overseeing the pilot program, and they're starting with a $3.3 million allocation to cover 20 counties. So, go to the Texas Department of Housing and Community Affairs website for more details. Another reminder, schools are back in session, so please be alert in the school zones and be careful around buses that are loading and unloading. City services. Our library. It remains curbside service only at this time. However, they are working with our emergency management team to come up with a safe reopening plan. Our recreation center, they've expanded their hours. They will now be open 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. And our Animal Services Division, they'll be hosting a workshop Monday, October 12th at 5:30 p.m. in council chambers. This is an excellent opportunity for citizens to gain insight into their operations. And it will be streamed live for those that are unable to attend. Our regular City Council meeting, it will follow at 6:30 p.m. And lastly, early voting starts the 13th. Get out, vote, make your voice be heard. With that, I will remind you again, family, friends, and neighbors, it's what makes Watauga a great place to live. Thank you and have a great weekend.